Wayco was born in 2013 and it was one of the first co-working spaces in the city. We want to empower professionals in their way of life and work.
Wayco is the pioneer co-working space in Valencia, and we encourage taking down the frontiers, no matter where you're from, which nationality you are. We encourage you to mingle with others. Different cultures working under one roof in the same place. We design the co-working spaces for them. We want our co-workers to feel like they're working from home, but in a professional environment.
This is a very special place. You can see it in the walls, the bricks, the scars, and they are the soul of the place. So we try to keep all of them. It has the charm of an ancient place mixed with the last technology and a careful design. It's comfortable for working in terms of atmosphere, temperature, natural light. It's also very flexible. Even the main space can be transformed in very few minutes, just lifting the huge tables.
For Wayco, the people are the most important part of the co-working spaces. Our community is very unique because we have many different cultures working in the same area, and we have about 17 nationalities. So for us, it's really important and very nice to see how different nationalities work together.